You're cooking Branzino wrong. Do this instead. First, rinse and pat it completely dry. This is the secret to that perfect sear. Hot pan, a little oil, and in goes the fish. Sea salt, black pepper, flip, and repeat on the other side. I'm using Branzino from Trader Joe's. Now the magic, garlic and butter. Let it melt. This is where all the flavor builds. Crispy on the outside, soft and buttery inside, and it takes just minutes. Finish with fresh lemon. It brightens everything. Plate it on lettuce. Finish with capers. And that's it. Crispy, juicy, restaurant level at home. If you like simple recipes like this, follow for more.